Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing a Chanel unboxing bag reveal. I can't really call it a true unboxing because I did take the ribbon off because I did not get this in the store. I ordered it over the phone. So first let me preface this by saying if you do not like expensive handbags, if you do not like bag reveals, unboxings, anything, click off now because you'll hate this video and I don't even know why you clicked on it in the first place. I got a new bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my Insta stories, I kind of posted a little picture and I will actually insert the picture here. Of it when it first came, when it was all wrapped up and it looked beautiful because I did get this over the phone. I am going to get to the reveal in a minute. I just kind of want to give you a little bit of a backstory on this bag. I love Chanel. It's become a very dangerous obsession of mine, and I blame my grandma for it because growing up, she's always worn Chanel No. 5 fragrance, and I've just always loved it. It always smells so good. It doesn't really necessarily work on me because of my chemistry or whatever, but it always smells good on her, and for that, in my mind, I associate Chanel, and it's just, I don't know. So I just really like Chanel, and have some of their makeup and things like that. So it just turned into loving their handbags and accessories and stuff. A lot of my subscribers message me saying, are you going to get a new bag this year? Are you going to get, are you looking to get a new bag? When are you going to get a new bag? Can you do an unboxing? On and on and on. And it was so funny because I was like, yes, there's a bag that I want. I wanted this bag for a really long time. And I had to jump through hoops to get my boy bag a couple years ago. I literally could not get that boy bag. I had called 100 places, no one had it, and then finally, they were able to track one down for me, and I got it, and I enjoyed that. I wore the heck out of that bag. I don't care what anyone says. You can use a boy bag every single day. If you're a minimalist like me that carry, when you carry stuff, there's no reason that you cannot use a boy bag every single day. And I did. And then I got the Celine bag, and then I've been using that, but I still have my heart set on this bag. And I just was kind of putting it off because I didn't want to have to deal with the, it's not like with Chanel, it's not like you could just go someplace and be like, yes, that's what I want, or you could go online and order it. It's always kind of hard to find a bag. And I just wasn't feeling like going on a hunt. I just wasn't into handbag hunting. If I wanted something, I just kind of wanted instant gratification, like this is what I want. And so I was thinking, I was originally going to get this bag in August. And I had, time off from work. I was going to take a ride down to either Orlando or Palm Beach and go to the boutique and just kind of see if they had it. And, and I never did because if you guys know, my grandmother ended up in the hospital and she was in and out of the hospital for the summer and the fall. It was just a really bad, time. So the last thing on my mind was thinking about getting a Chanel bag. So I ended up a couple, weeks ago on a whim. I was like, I really want my bag. I really want my Chanel bag. And I was like, I'm gonna just do something. And if you are familiar with Chanel, they have an email address, their customer care email address where you can email them. And if you have a style number or kind of a description of what you're looking for, they will search it and reply back to you and tell you who has it or where, what boutique, or I think it's just boutiques. It's not department stores. Who has the bag. So on a whim, I sent them an email and I had the number for this bag saved for a really long time because I knew what it was that I wanted. It was very particular. And they replied back the next day. They didn't reply back and I was like, oh, it's probably not found anywhere. So they replied back and they told me that Orlando had it. The boutique in Orlando. And I was like, really? And it's in the middle, right before, a couple weeks before Christmas. And I was like, oh my God, I cannot drive there in the heat of the holiday shopping. I was like, so I called and I got a really nice guy on the phone and I said, do you have this bag? And I gave him the number and he's like, yeah, we do. We have one in stock. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah. I was like, okay, can you send me a picture of it? And I gave him my number and he texted it to me really quickly. And he's like, here it is. Send me a couple pictures. And I was like, wow, that's the bag. I was like, okay, I'll take it. And I called him back. And the good thing is, I have to tell you, it was the most painless transaction because when you shop with Chanel before, they have all your information on file. So when I called him, to do the payment and everything, he, we verified all my information. It was all the same. He's like, okay, I gave my credit card. And he's like, all right, it'll be FedEx to you out tomorrow. And I got it literally in a day. And I was like, that was literally the easiest transaction ever, and he was laughing. And it's true, you know, when you deal with certain companies and they have keep your info on file, it is easy. You don't have to give them everything. They just keep it in the system, and then they keep track of everything that you've purchased. So without further ado, let's get into this, because I know everyone, you know, is probably like, oh my God, shut up already, and let's see the bag. So this is the box, and I love this. This is the box that kind of opens like this. My boy bag is the one that lifts up, but I like this better, and it's actually a hard case. So this is my receipt, and it comes in a little envelope with the flower on it, which, is that gonna focus? I hope so. So that just has my receipt and all that. And then this was the ribbon that oh, can you focus please? Hello, we're talking about Chanel here. Can you focus? Thank you. This was the ribbon that it was tied around. And then this is the tissue paper. And of course it has like the little Chanel sticker here. And I'm a sucker for details. So like the detailing on this little sticker matches the little dust bag. You'll see as soon as I get this opened. And look at that dust bag. Oh my God, guys, I'm like so excited. So here's the bag with the dust bag. You can probably guess, if you see that, you probably know what it is. But I will just show you in here what else came in here. Like the book of, you know, all the clear, and they give you like a authenticity stamp. And like the date I purchased it in this year. I'm not going to show you because it has all my information on it, but they give you that, and then it's just like a whole like book about the bag. And then again, this is just another thing that has a cloth to clean the bag. So those are on the bottom. I'll put that down here, and let me put this up, and I will show you the bag. So here's the bag. Look at this dust bag, guys. Like, I think I was more excited about seeing the dust bag than I was about the actual bag. So it is like the dust bag of the kind of the print of the bag. So if you don't know already, it is the Chanel Reissue 2.55, and I got it in the technically it's the medium size, but if you look online it says large. But they're like, you can tell by the prices. Unfortunately, they did have a price increase. That mine is technically the medium. It's not like the huge one that's really expensive. So I'm going to show you, and then it has the Coco Chanel here, and oh my God, I love it. And when you pull it out, I truly tried to keep this as authentic as possible. I did not even take this off, even though I really, really wanted to, and I really wanted to use this, but I wanted to keep it as true to an unboxing as I could. So I did not take that off. But here is the bag. I'm so excited. It is just, it's so beautiful. It is the aged calfskin with the Ruthenium hardware. I have a thing, I know. I love Ruthenium. To me, it adds an edginess to the bag, and every bag I own will probably be some form of combination of this. So it has the twist lock here. You can unlock that, and then you open it. And then of course it has the felt protectors, which I will take off. And it is the flap. So here you have like, I probably wouldn't use anything here, but then you have the zip pocket here, which, I mean, it's not deep. I probably wouldn't use it maybe for receipts or whatever, but I doubt it. I keep my bags pretty clean. And then you have the flap here, and it's the beautiful, like, kind of burgundy interior. And then again, I have all of the, I truly did not, I literally left it like stuffed for you guys so you could see. Oh my God. So here is the inside of the bag, and it's a pretty, I mean, like I said, it's the medium, so it's pretty roomy. I know some people might not think so, but it's got a pretty big space here. It's bigger than the boy bag. And I fit a lot of stuff in the boy bag. And like I said, I use that every day and I didn't have an issue. So you have that. And then here you have two pockets. I'm going to come up closer so you can see. So then you have, well, here's the authenticity card that I will put in my safe. So then you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And then this is like for lipstick in the middle, which I probably will use because I think that's pretty genius. And then you have two pockets, you know, it's just one pocket here. It looks like there's two, but it's just here, which is good to slip little stuff in, you know, even if you put like your cell phone or whatever. And then on the back, when you flip it around, it has the little pocket here, which, you know, you can use for anything. So this is my bag, and I'm actually going to take that off and I'll be right back, guys. I took the tissue paper off the chain so you can actually see what it looks like a normal bag instead of with that on there. So you can wear it like this, like, I can get up and show you. You can wear it kind of like on your shoulder, like up like this, or what you can do is kind of wear it crossbody. So you can do this, so it's hangs kind of low. That's how I wore my boy bag. I always wore it crossbody because I just felt like, I don't know, it worked. But because this is a little bit of a different size, I probably will just wear it on my shoulder like this. I mean, it fits comfortably. I'm 5'2", so, and I didn't want the small one because I have the boy bag, which is small. So that kind of like defeated the purpose. And then I didn't want the huge jumbo one because, again, I'm small and I feel like it would overtake me. And I didn't want that to be. I just wanted it to kind of still be timeless and classic. And, you know, some people might ask why the reissue versus like the classic, which they're in essence kind of the same bag, you know, the same style, you know, the flap and same kind of interior and everything. Personally, I like the reissue because to me, it's different and it's a little bit edgier. And I love the classics. I really do. I love a classic flap. I eventually would love to get a mini flap, just like a small one, just to have. My friend Natalie got a smaller classic flap, and I love it so much. So she's like kind of like inspiring me to get, you know, like a smaller one, like not one this size, but a little bit smaller. And that is definitely eventually next on my list. I don't know when, because this is really expensive, guys. This is probably literally the most expensive bag I have purchased in all of my handbag years. And I will have all the information down below. I will put the exact A number. So if you like this bag and you want this bag, I'll put it down below. That way it's easier for you to find. And then I will have the price and everything. I mean, you can Google it. It's not like it was like $6,200, and then it came out to, with tax, $6,457, I think. Don't quote me on that. I don't remember. I mean, it's expensive, guys. I mean, let's be real. It's Chanel. It's expensive, and there's no sense in hiding it because there's no reason to. It's just, I hate when people do that. Like, you can literally Google it or go on the website and find it. So just don't. It is what it is. I'm not going to be buying 100 of these or whatever. So anyway, it's a lot of money, but it's a beautiful bag. So like I was saying, I like it because it is different and it's edgy, and it's like a chain strap. It doesn't have the quilting in it. And I don't know, to me, it's different. It's a little bit, you know, everyone has the flap, yes, but, you know, I like to have different versions of things. And I really like the reissue. It's just kind of, to me, it's like edgy, and it just kind of fits my style better because I think it would look great like with like the athleisure kind of outfits, you know, leggings and a cute, you know, just like a cute outfit like that. We're really dressed up, you know, going out to dinner or whatever. I just think it's like a very versatile bag. So that is my bag. I'm so excited. I just wanted to bring something a little bit different to my channel, since I know a lot of you like the things that I do and you like handbags. So I wanted to share that. This is my beautiful bag. Merry Christmas to myself. I treated myself, guys, and I don't really care. I work hard and I save a lot of money, and I try to spend it not foolishly. So that's that. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Again, if you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Like I said, I will try to put as much information about this bag as possible in the description. So just check, you know, click the little thing that opens the description box, and I'll have as much as I can in there. So again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you very soon.